Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today I am just going to start the next chapter, and it is the last chapter as well of your physics, that is chapter 6 magnetism. Okay, chapter 6 magnetism. So let's start this chapter with magnet, which is very fascinating among everyone. Okay, you must have used the magnet once in your life. So what is the magnet? The object that has property to attract many materials through their magnetic field are called the magnets. Okay, these magnetic material may be the iron, nickel and cobalt. Especially iron attracts toward the magnet very easily. Got it? So magnets are the objects that have the property to attract the magnetic material through their magnetic field. Got it? After that, magnetism. What is the magnetism? Magnetism is the force exerted by the magnet when they attract or repel each other or other magnetic material. Or in short, we can say that magnetism is the force of attraction of the magnet. Got it? Magnetism is the force of attraction of the magnet. Got it? Now after that, attraction and repulsion. What is the attraction and repulsion? When two magnets attract towards each other, so that is called the attraction, and when two magnets push back to each other, it is called the repulsion. Okay. After that, as far as the discovery of magnet is concerned, so magnet was discovered by a shepherd named Magnus. Okay, the name of that person is Magnus. When he was moving with his flock of sheep, he found a large stone that had a power to attract the iron. Okay, that had power to attract the iron. So that stone was called the magnet, and that place where it was found is called magnetite and also known as the lodestone. Okay, it's called the magnetite and also known as the lodestone. Got it? Now the types of the magnets. There are two types of magnets are there: natural magnets and the artificial magnets. Okay, what are the natural magnets? Magnets that occur naturally on the earth. So that type of magnets are called the natural magnets. Natural magnets are very weak in nature, means their attraction and the repulsion power is very weak, and the use of natural magnets is very less in daily life. Got it? After that, artificial magnets. What are the artificial magnets? Artificial magnets are the man-made. Okay, the magnets which are made by the man for various applications using the iron, nickel and cobalt. So that type of magnets are called the artificial magnets. These magnets are very strong, means its attraction and the repulsion power is very strong. Okay, and they are available in the various shapes. You must have seen some magnet in your geometry box also, and the examples are the bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and the U-shaped magnet. Got it? So students, today we discuss about the magnetism and the type of magnets, and in next video we will cover some other topic of this chapter. Till then, you just keep practicing. Thank you.